In this video, I'll break down 5 business ideas that will make you money in Nigeria, and this is diaspora friendly, tested and verified business ideas. These are perfect even for 9-to-5ers, still schooling, stay-home mom or stay-home dad, that is male or female. And yes, 3 of them are already working for people I personally know. So this is in theory, it's a reality. And watch this video to the end because number 4 is my favorite. I have a friend who runs an online bookstore. Do you know what she pays an email marketer every month? Someone who only sends out 4 emails, 1 bulk message each week. That brings me to our number 1 business, email writing and copywriting. You don't need to be Shakespeare. You just need to understand storytelling and structure. Better still, use ChatGPT. It exists, so use it to your advantage. Use it to plan your email calendar, write drafts, and tweak the tone for your clients. There are platforms that you can use, and these platforms do not require coding. Platforms like MailerLite, MailChimp, and Flowdesk. On these platforms, the templates are done for you, so you don't need to stress. Once you set the schedule, boom, you start making passive income. But then I would advise you to join groups for copywriting or email marketing. This helps a lot. There are people that will give you wealth of knowledge on what to do. Do you know the good thing about copywriting classes? Even before you're done with the courses, you can start selling. You can start pitching to clients on Facebook, on Instagram, to businesses to offer them some free kind of service in order to build your portfolio. And from there, you can start taking care of a lot of outbound sales. The potential earning for this is between 50 to 500,000 naira per month, realistically. And that is depending on how many clients you handle. Guess what? The 50,000 naira is per client per month. It could be as much as 500,000 naira per client per month. So if you have 4 clients, you are talking of 200,000 naira if you're charging 50,000 naira per business per month. But if you're charging 500,000 naira per business per month, then you'll be having 2 million naira to show for it if you're handling 4 clients. This is a perfect side hustle for students, 9-to-5 workers, and anyone who loves words. Hi, I'm Olufunke Odode, and I've helped build and manage businesses that now serve people across different cities in Nigeria. If you're ready to build real income streams with what you already have, hit the subscribe button, like this video, and then you get the rest as we go. Taking us to number 2, if you're good with numbers, why not monetize it? Bookkeeping is a gold mine, and many business owners really hate doing it. I have a friend in the UK. She just hired a Nigerian accountant to handle our monthly reconciliation and tax filing. And you know what that means? To hire a talent in the UK is more expensive because you're paying in pounds, and you would have to pay the minimum wage at least. But if you have to hire a talent from Nigeria, you'll pay less. You'll be converting the money to Naira, which is cheaper for you. Based on the minimum wage for Nigeria, you will still pay less. So it actually pays you. And all these are done remotely. So our number 2 business is accounting and bookkeeping for small businesses. You can use tools like BusyWin. There was a time I used BusyWin a lot. At the time I was in operations, so I was actually dabbling into accounting, operations, and all of that all in one. When you're working for a one-man business, it's a lot. Use tools like Zoho Books, QuickBooks, and most of them offer free or low-cost training. Now, imagine 10 clients paying you 50,000 naira per month. That is 500,000 naira monthly on a retainer. And guess what? None of them will pay you 50,000 naira per month because that is even below the minimum wage. So the least they can pay you is 70,000 naira, which is not possible because it's a private business. So let's say it's 100,000 naira, and handling 10 clients will be 1 million naira per month. How interesting is that? And all you do is block out 2 to 3 days monthly to clean up their accounts. Finish. Start small, get 1 client first, get referrals, expand, and it's fully remote. Number 3 business for the day. This one is for creative organizers. People are celebrating get-togethers, anniversaries, office parties, bridal showers every weekend in Nigeria. And so, if you're new here, welcome to Fooby Finance, where we decode money, business, and financial success in the Nigerian and African context. And number 3 business is event planning. All you need is organization skill, a network of decorators, vendors, caterers, photographers, videographers, and your reliability. You can start small, plan for a friend or plan for friends just to build a portfolio. Post on Instagram. Soon, people will find you. Some people even specialize in kids' parties, or strictly weddings, or corporate retreats, or proposal parties, or surprise parties, or office team bonding. All these are areas of specialization that you can harness and start building on. Imagine you posting all this on your story. You organized office team bonding for so clients or so business. Imagine how much people will start reaching out to you for you to make life easier for them. As long as you're not cutting them by the throat with your prices, they will surely call you. The good news is you don't need an office or a massive capital. You need your passion, your proof, and planning. And it doesn't clash with your 9-to-5 work, because most of these events are weekends. Now, here is my favorite. Number 4, mini importation from China. I keep talking about this a lot, and here is why. Because the income is uncapped. In the past, I've personally made 10,000 naira profits, 500,000 naira profits, 2 million naira profits from a single product cycle. People think they need millions to start importation business, and that's not true. Start with as low as 100,000 naira, even 200,000 naira. You can buy items like customized mugs, beauty tools, trendy shoes, phone holders, hair accessories, phone accessories, home decor, jewelries. You can sell to students, parents, professionals, your colleagues, and online, depending on your product niche. Some don't even use their own capital. They collect money from customers upfront, use it to order, deliver, take their profit, and then repeat. I'm in one of those groups that does that. What they do in this group is the organizer of the group posts a particular content or product. And if people are interested in those products, they indicate their interest and the number of items they want to buy, the quantity, and from there, everybody sends their money to our account. Afterwards, she places the order. She shows proof that she has placed the order. When the order gets shipped to Nigeria, we share the agent's fee. So she has made her money on us as a business, and then we are still going to share the clearing fee with her. You can take a mini importation class. I advise people to do this. It is very, very effective. You can buy a course on mini importation. It goes for as low as 5,000 naira to as high as 20,000 naira. Learn how to order from 1688. Use an agent and you're in business. If you want to grow your business, use WhatsApp, use TikTok, use Instagram, even Gigi, Jumia, and Konga, and your business will scale. Let me ask you something. How many videos do you watch daily on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook? Imagine being paid to make those videos. Not for yourself, but for brands and event hosts. That takes me to our number 5 business, video content creation. I know you guys have heard me say this, but I'm telling you, this brings money. Short form content creation is hot right now. We're talking about 60 seconds videos, 2-minute videos. You don't need a DSLR camera or even a massive gear. Your smartphone is your office. Just get a good phone with a fantastic camera quality. Learn how to use tools like CapCut, VN, InShot. There are a whole lot of other apps that you can use as well. They allow you to edit videos in minutes and even place voiceovers. Event planners, small business owners, even pastors want people to create content at their events. Charge 50,000 naira to 150,000 naira per event. Do 4 jobs in a month. That's your rent or salary out there. So if, for instance, you charge 150k, times 4 is 600k. If you charge 50k, I would not advise you to stick with just 4 clients. You may have to double the also, maybe 8, and that would be 400k. But if you charge 100k, you can still do 4 clients or even more. And again, it's weekends only. Let me give you a bonus tip here. Teaching what you know. That is another way to make money. In another video, I'm going to explain how to monetize your knowledge and start making money instead of waiting for one app to pay you. Now you've heard the 5 business ideas that can change your 2025. Email writing, accounting, event planning, mini importation, video content creation. And the bonus tip is teaching. Teaching what you already know. All you need is 1, start small, be consistent, scale smart. Now, drop a comment in the section below to tell me the idea that best resonates with you. What should you start if you were handed 100,000 naira right now? And if you want step-by-step help setting up any of these businesses, click the link in my description to book a clarity session. Like this video, share with people you know, subscribe if you're serious about building wealth. I'm rooting for your success. But before you go, watch this video next. I'll see you in the next one.